We're at Middletown Elementary School. What we're doing here is disinfecting the school while the schools are closed. Plant operators here along with the area supervisor, and they're using hospital grade disinfectants to sanitize and disinfect the school while everyone's out. They're disinfecting all surfaces with the hospital grade disinfectant, just like we do every day at Jefferson County Public Schools. Every day we treat it as if there are viruses in the school. So we're kind of doing the same thing we're just doing a deeper cleaning of it and more detailed. We're also following through with electrostatic sprayers, which is more efficient than what they're doing as far as the regular disinfecting. It covers more area, hard to reach spaces, and it disinfects all those surfaces. Right now we're currently 62% through all of our building sites that we have for JCPS that are disinfected and sanitized with the electrostatic sprayer. Our department is outstanding. The workers, you can't say enough about them, all the way from the custodians. They're the most diligent workers, I've been around. They're here on a nightly basis, working hard. Plant operators are working diligent. Area supervisors are working hard during the day, and nighttime supervisors are working through the night also. Probably the cleanest buildings in the city.